Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the headphones and controller. Charge your Beats Solo 3, then turn off Bluetooth so the headset won't try to pair wirelessly. Once done, grab the supplied 3.5 mm audio cable and plug one end into the Solo 3 and the other into the Xbox One controller's headset jack. If your controller doesn't have a built-in jack, attach the official Xbox One stereo headset adapter first. Make sure it's snapped on firmly before proceeding to the next step. With the cable seated, power on the controller and Xbox console, the wired connection is immediate so you won't pair via Bluetooth. Next, go to Settings, select Devices and Accessories, pick your controller, and confirm audio is routed to the headset. Now set headset volume, mic monitoring, and the chat/game audio mix to balance voice versus game sound. Because you're using an analog link, latency is negligible, and battery drain on the Solo 3 is minimal compared to Bluetooth. To finish, join a party or launch a game and test both game audio and mic input. Speak to confirm others hear you. If you get no sound or mic feedback, first reset the 3.5 mm connector and ensure the adapter or controller jack is clean and undamaged. Try a different controller or cable if available and update controller firmware via the Xbox Accessories app. Remember, keep the Solo 3 Bluetooth disabled while wired. Otherwise, the headset may not route audio through the cable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.